Janika, I am your German teacher. Today I'd like to teach you the neutral article, which is called das. So there are two parts. Please watch both of them. And yeah, have fun! So let's start with part number 1. Today we are going to learn two suffixes for nouns which are neutral. The first one is chen. I know it's difficult to pronounce. Once more. Chen. Example giving: das Mädchen. Chen is a diminutive and it indicates everything which is very small. Another example would be das Kätzchen, the catling. The cat, die Katze, the catling, das Kätzchen. Diminutive number 2 is lein. Example giving: Tischlein, das Tischlein. Der Tisch means the table, but das Tischlein indicates a small table. Yeah, so those are the most two important suffixes for the going to learn the nominalisation with das of verbs. The nominalisation of verbs with das. It's video number 2 about the German article das. So I looked up a few examples for you. Let's start with example number 1. Essen means to eat, the verb to eat. Essen. And if I say das Essen using the neutral article, it means the food. Again, Essen, to eat, das Essen, the food. Another example is weinen, to cry. And the noun would be das Weinen. In English, the crying. Once more, weinen, to cry, das Weinen, the crying. And maybe you have already mentioned here, the nouns are written with a capital letter. Before I end this video, I have to mention one more thing. There are many ways for nominalization in German and also in English, so the nominalization of verbs with das is just one way. We have many different types. Example giving, we do have the verb meinen, which means to think. And if I say die Meinung derived with the suffix it means the opinion. So in this example, we cannot adapt the nominalization with das. So be aware of the different types. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, maybe you can follow me on Instagram or subscribe my channel. I would be really thankful. And yeah, I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Tschüss!